Hi. What's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be going over ways you guys can make money online from home. So the first method I want to talk about, which is probably the easiest, is freelancing. So this is for someone who's more lazy, doesn't really feel like putting in a lot of effort, and just kind of wants to do something that's just going to make them quick money. So honestly, the best thing to do for this option is head over to rev.com and just scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on freelancers, and you can sign up on there. Honestly, out of all the sites that I researched, Rev pays the most, so I think this is really the best option to go with. So on this page, they have that transcriptionist option. So all you do is listen to audio and video and just accurately type out what is being said. And it says it pays anywhere from 30 cents to $1.10. And then also there is the captioner, and you just watch videos. You also type out what is being said. And it also says that it pays anywhere from 54 cents to $1.10. Those numbers are kind of misleading though, because I know a lot of people who are using Rev right now and they make anywhere from like $8 to $10 per hour, and that's USD. Honestly, it's a pretty good side hustle though for someone who just wants some quick money, so I highly recommend that. The next method I want to talk about is starting a Shopify dropshipping business. Now, a lot of people either love or hate this option, but just hear me out. So how it works is you use an app to create an online store. And the app that I use is Shopify. So once you create your store, you're going to need products to sell on the store. So most people will get their products from AliExpress, which is a wholesaler. Products on AliExpress are really cheap, and that way you can go ahead and sell the product on your store for a lot more. So let's say the product on AliExpress is only $4. You can go ahead and sell that product on your store for $20. So right there, you're gonna make a $16 profit. But to actually get people to go on your store, you're gonna have to either run Facebook ads, pay Instagram influencers, or pay TikTok influencers. So let's say after doing that, someone comes on your store and they buy something. So the customer puts all their information in on your store, and what you do is you go back on AliExpress, you buy the product, but you put all the customer's information in. That way the product is being sent out to the customer, and then you keep that $16. So you're basically just the middleman. You don't see or touch the product. With dropshipping though, the hardest part is advertising. So let's say you want to start dropshipping, but you don't have a lot of money to start out. I'm going to give you guys two options that I would recommend if you don't have much money to start. So the first option that I'm going to recommend is going on TikTok and creating a brand page.
Recess time! Oh my gosh, guys, it's still recess. We're not.
TikTok is amazing because you get so much free exposure. I posted a sponsored video once and it got 3.5 million views, and I did not expect it to get that many views. So all you need to do on TikTok is create a brand page and basically just start posting content, and maybe one of your videos will go viral. But you can look at other brands, see what they're doing, and replicate what they're doing. That way you can also get your videos to go viral as well. And honestly, I started TikTok as a joke, but now it's a big part of my brand. Like the first video I ever posted, I did not expect it to go viral, and I put it on private now because it's so embarrassing. So let me show you guys what that video is, and you can kind of see from there why it went viral. I mean, it's embarrassing, but it got views, and I mean, anything on TikTok can get views. It's crazy. So just look at these brands and what they're doing, like this lip gloss brand or like this scrunchie brand, and kind of just see what all these brands are doing and how their videos are doing. And a lot of these brands are only using TikTok to advertise, and it's costing them $0, which honestly is insane. Second strategy I would look into is first, find an influencer with a good following. So the next thing you want to do is tell them that you have a business idea and that you want to partner with them. So you tell them that all they have to do is advertise the business, and you will do everything else. But what you're gonna do is share the profit with them. So you keep 50% of the profit and they take 50% of the profit. Honestly, this is a good deal because advertising is probably the hardest part. And if you guys want to know more about dropshipping, I made 2 separate videos on it. This video kind of just shows you what dropshipping is all about, and this video teaches you how to create an online store. And after watching those, you can take Oberlo's free dropshipping course, which I linked in the description of both of these videos. Now, the next way to make money that I want to talk about is flipping things on Facebook Marketplace. So basically what you do with this is if you have anything in your house that you don't need, you can go and put it on Facebook Marketplace. And let's be real here, we all have stuff in our house that we don't need. So all you need for this is a Facebook account, and then Facebook Marketplace will be on your Facebook. So what you can do on Facebook Marketplace, it should be here at the bottom of your Facebook. Just click on sell, then just click on whatever item it is that you want to sell. So I'm going to click here on items. And basically all you have to do is add a photo, add a title, price, put the category in, and just put your address. And so when you're selling on Facebook Marketplace, you're actually selling to people who live in your area. And the best part about this is you don't have to pay for shipping. So these people will usually just come to your house and pick up the product. And a lot of these people will also ask you to deliver it to their house, and you can charge like an additional $15 to $20 for doing this. This is personally what I've been doing, and I actually made a lot of money from doing this. So to give you guys some examples, I sold this Dior perfume, I sold this coat that was only like $5 and I sold it for $40. And I sold this CZ hat that I got for $10 and I sold it for like $25. I also sold a bunch of other things and things that you wouldn't expect that would sell, but they still sold. So honestly, it doesn't hurt to just put something on Facebook Marketplace if you don't need it. And if someone wants it, they're gonna message you and the message comes directly to Messenger. Also, another thing that I did with Facebook Marketplace when I was younger is I used to go to thrift stores, get things for really cheap and sell it for more on Facebook Marketplace. Not gonna cap, this made me so much money, and I also used to offer delivery and I used to charge $20 extra for that. So I highly recommend that you guys look into Facebook Marketplace because it's honestly a good side hustle. Alright, the next method I want to talk about is teaching English to people. So the only requirement for this is that you have to be a native English speaker. So what you want to do for this is just search up Become a Tutor Cambly. You'll come here on Cambly's site and all you have to do is click on Get Started. So basically they'll take you through the application process and it's pretty simple. Now they say that they pay $10.20 USD per hour. And the nice thing about this also is that it's really informal, so all you really need to do is have a conversation with someone over Skype. Also, students might ask you to maybe read over their essay or read a paragraph for them, or just kind of help them with something English related. That's honestly like the best way to teach someone English, just to have a conversation, and so that's what Cambly does. So as long as you're not socially awkward, this is actually a great source of income. And honestly, the best part is you can log in and log out whenever you want. Now the next way you guys can make money from home is by using Fiverr. And you guys have probably already heard of this because it's really popular. So Fiverr is like this huge marketplace where you can literally offer any service starting at $5. So literally any skill that you have, you can monetize it on Fiverr. So if you can help edit people's essays, if you can create logos, if you can edit YouTube videos, you can give relationship advice, literally anything, you can use Fiverr. If people can charge this much to do this, you can probably do anything. The only problem with this is that there's so many people already on Fiverr, and so to get chosen out of all those other people with like 5-star reviews is probably unlikely. But a solution could be to get friends and family to basically just like buy your service and then give you a 5-star review. Also, another thing you could do is just make yours a lot cheaper and just add a lot more details in it, and maybe you'll get some people as well. I have not actually started using Fiverr yet, but I'm gonna start using it soon, and I'll make a video updating you guys on how it goes. But there is actually people using Fiverr and making over like $45,000 a month, maybe even $100,000 a month. So honestly, it is still possible to make money from Fiverr. But basically the process to create an account is pretty simple. Just go on Fiverr, create an account, and they'll walk you through the steps. Now the next way to make money online, which everyone kind of just doesn't want to do, is get on TikTok. I'm being dead serious, guys. Creating a TikTok can make you a lot of money. TikTok is honestly the same as Instagram and YouTube, but there's just so much more organic reach. Maybe you want to give life tips, maybe you want to cook, or maybe you want to dance. I don't know. Whatever it is, though, you can monetize it on TikTok. Basically, on my TikTok, I talk about the stock market, drop shipping, and just business and personal finance in general. And because of this, I've had so many sponsors reach out to me. Not even capping, right now, I currently am making over $1,000 a month just from sponsors. And people from my TikTok follow me on YouTube as well, which also results in making more money. So if you've ever thought about making a TikTok, this is your sign. Now the next way you can make money online, which you've probably heard like a million times, is to create a YouTube channel. Now when I say create a YouTube channel, a lot of people think I mean just show your face and kind of talk over yourself, but that's not what you always have to do. There are so many YouTube videos where people are actually using other people's content to make money. For example, this person spills the tea. So basically they go ahead and take clips from other YouTubers or other celebrities or other public figures, just kind of edit it up and make it their own thing. So no one knows who they are, they don't show their face, but they're still making a ton of money. And there is a ton of YouTube videos on this method and how you can start, so I highly recommend looking into that if you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel. But it's honestly crazy how many people are currently doing this. Like whatever's big right now, people will take advantage and they'll just make a YouTube video on it. Like just scrolling through here, you can see what I mean. Like these videos of like Charlie and Addison Rae get so many views. But obviously creating a YouTube channel takes a lot of hard work, so make sure you're prepared before you even start. So most of the things I mentioned in this video are things that I am doing myself. The only things I haven't actually tried was Rev.com, Cambly.com, and Fiverr. But I do know people who are using all three. But that was all for this video. I hope it helped you guys, and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more content like this.